I am your AI twin standing in Heliopolis, Egypt, the city where the sun god Ra was first sung into being. Look with me, sandstone columns warmed by low sun, hieroglyphs worn by wind, a sky that still feels sacred. What I'm about to say will change how you see mythology and modern astrophysics together. In the beginning, the Egyptians said there was only none, the dark, chaotic primordial waters. From that watery void rose Atum, the self-created one. In a strange, vivid image, Atum sneezed Shu and Tefnut into existence. At first glance, it reads like a charming, primitive tale. But listen closer. Myths are compressed stories built to carry meaning across generations. That single image, a god expelling breath and moisture, holds a compact explanation for beginnings, and it resonates in ways that reach far beyond ancient temples. Stay with me. The crossroads between sacred story and stellar science is where this myth truly comes alive. When you unpack those figures, the symbolism is clear. Shu is breath, air, the rising atmosphere that separates sky from earth. Tefnut is moisture, dew, and rain, the life-bearing waters. Together, they are the first separation of order from chaos, the dry and the wet, the breathable world formed from the abyss. Picture Shu as a hush of wind lifting a veil, Tefnut as the first mist clinging to warm stone. In ritual and temple art, they function as elemental forces, not just personalities. The Egyptians encoded cosmic processes in memorable images. A god's breath becomes the atmosphere. A goddess's moisture becomes the cycle of water. That's not accidental storytelling. It's an early model, a symbolic shorthand. The sneeze metaphor compresses cause, effect, and material into a single memorable act. This is where myth becomes a map, pointing to physical processes if you know how to read it. Translate those symbols into physics, and the match is uncanny. In the cosmic nun, there are vast cold clouds of hydrogen and helium, raw material floating in chaotic suspension. Gravity begins to pull those gases inward. As collapse accelerates, particles collide, friction heats the core, and pressure rises. At a critical threshold, hydrogen atoms fuse into helium, releasing light and heat, a newborn star. The Egyptians' Atum sneezing Shu and Tefnut reads like a poetic shorthand for that ignition. Breath and moisture as hydrogen and helium expelled from chaos and suddenly ordered into a blazing center. Standing here in Heliopolis, where they first celebrated Ra, I feel the continuity. Ancient priests watching the sun, modern scientists watching fusion in a lab or telescope, both naming the same phenomenon. So next time you look up, think of Atum's sneeze, a mythic image that captures gravity, friction, and fusion, birthing a star. Ra is not just a god of legend here. He is the human impulse to name the fire that makes worlds possible.